Assalamu alaikum dear students. Now we have another very short answer type question, that is economic importance of algae. And algae are very useful to man and other animals in different ways. There is first one, that is these are used as food. About 70 species of marine algae, 70 species of marine algae जो हैं, they are used as food by man. And there is the red algae porphyra, there is brown algae laminaria, there is another sargassum, there is another ulva, etc. These are used as food by man and in different areas. There is another point that half of total photosynthesis on the surface of Earth is carried by algae. That is, they help in more than half of the carbon dioxide fixation. Photosynthesis leads to carbon dioxide fixation. There is next one, carbon dioxide and oxygen balance. Carbon dioxide and oxygen balance. Now, being photosynthetic, they increase the level of dissolved oxygen. It is called as DO. In their immediate environment or water bodies. There is another, that is, they act as producers. They act as producers in aquatic habitats. They act as producers in aquatic habitats. Like oceans, ponds, lakes, and thus act as the first energy trapping systems. In aquatic environments. Next is that they act as the food for herbivores in aquatic environments and play an important role in food cycles. They play an important role in food cycles. Now, red and brown algae जो हैं, red and brown algae, they contain cellulose and sulfated and non-sulfated sulfated phycocolloids. Phycocolloids in their cell walls. That is, these are colloidal substances found in the algae, so they are called as phycocolloids. Colloidal substances found in algae, but they are associated with the cell walls. Now, respectively, that is, red algae possess sulfated phycocolloids, brown algae possess non-sulfated phycocolloids. These phycocolloids are commercially utilized. These phycocolloids are commercially utilized. Phycocolloids are commercially utilized. For example, there is carrageenan 1. Carrageenan and agar-agar. Carrageenan and agar-agar. These are derived from red algae. There is one common that is called as Gelidium. And there is another common one that is called as Gracilaria. This agar-agar derived from the red algae Gelidium and Gracilaria. It is commercially used in the cultural labs as the medium for growth of microbes. And it is also used in the preparation of ice creams, jellies, toothpastes, etc. Likewise, alginic acid, another phycocolloid. Alginic acid or alginate, it is derived from brown algae. It is also a very important phycocolloid derived from brown algae. There is another green alga, chlorella. It is green alga and spirulina. It is blue-green alga, cyanobacteria. These are rich in proteins. Both are unicellular. Chlorella is a unicellular green alga. Spirulina is blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. They have high content of proteins in their cells, and they are used as food supplements. Protein food supplements. Even by space travelers or you can say astronauts. Space travelers or astronauts. And these microorganisms, when these are directly used as food supplements, they are technically called as single cell proteins. Single cell proteins or SCP. it may not coincide with the appropriate nomenclature, that is the terminology, but it has been named as single cell proteins. Those microorganisms which are rich in food supplements or food requirements or nutrients, they are directly used as food supplements for man as well as other animals. They are called as single cell proteins. Lastly, there is that these algae जो हैं, algae are sometimes used as sewage disposal. Sewage disposal in order to clean the sewage or the filthy water. Chlamydomonas and chlorella. Species along with Synedesmus species. SCEN. Synedesmus species जो हैं etc. or some of the algae which are used in sewage oxidation tanks. And provide aerobic conditions for disposal of sewage by decomposer organisms. These provide aerobic conditions for disposal of sewage by decomposer organisms. That means decomposers need here the oxygen, and that oxygen is supplied by these algae when they grow in the sewage water. So that helps in the disposal of sewage or the organic matter decomposition in the sewage.